I know what you're going to be asking. You're saying, what is this Protestant youth pastor doing a Stations of the Cross video for? Well, for those that may not know, I grew up Catholic, and I do have a deep respect for what I learned during my time in the Catholic Church, which was reverence and contemplation. And it's a practice I've tried to keep my whole life. And one thing I discovered while out delivering on my Grubhub route was there was a Stations of the Cross set up, which is 14 stations depicting the various pieces and parts of the Passion Week. And this great Lutheran church there had this set up out back, and so I decided to stop and check it out. And that's what this video is about. It's if you've not had time yourself this Easter week to spend some time contemplating and thinking about the cross and thinking about what Jesus has done, then this video is for you. Take some time. I know as a Protestant, not everything in here is canon, and I'm going to leave some little markers along the way that'll help, that if you are Protestant, how you can use something like this to kind of spend some time with the Lord, think through some things. I'm not asking you to do anything, but think through the process, spend some time thinking about Jesus, thinking about his time, what he's done for us, and to make your day a little bit more meaningful. So take the time, join me on my journey of the Stations of the Cross.